Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the straightforward process of setting up HTTP custom for your Trojan GRPC server. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss out on our tech tutorials. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Watch previous video. Before we dive in, make sure you've watched our previous video on creating a Trojan GRPC server account. This will provide the necessary context for the setup process. Step 2. Install HTTP Custom. To begin, download and install the HTTP Custom app from your mobile app store or directly from the web. Once you've got it installed, we can move on to the next step. Step 3. Launch the app. Launch the app, and you'll find yourself on the home screen. Step 4. Enable V2RAY. Now, locate and check the V2RAY box to enable it. This is a crucial step in configuring the connection. Step 5. Access app settings. Next, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the app. Give it a tap to access the settings menu. Step 6. V2RAY settings. From the list of options, select V2RAY settings. This will take you to the specific settings for the V2RAY protocol. Step 7. Paste Trojan server. Here's where it gets interesting. Tap on the small clipboard icon, and in the space provided, paste the Trojan server details that you created earlier. Once that's done, go back to the previous screen. Step 8. Connect VPN. You're almost there. Now tap on the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. This will set up the HTTP custom connection using your Trojan GRPC server. Step 9. Conclusion. And just like that, you're all set. Your HTTP custom connection is now established and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, we're here to help with any questions you might have. Stay secure and stay connected.